Sometimes car batteries die. And in my case, I didn't use the car for over 25 days, so it requires a jump start. To jump start, we need a helper car. Make sure both cars' ignitions are off and park are engaged. First, connect the red cable on the positive terminal of the dead battery. Second, connect the other end of the red cable on the positive terminal of the battery of the helper car. Third, connect the black cable on the negative terminal of the helper car. Fourth, connect the other end of the black cable on a bolt or any metal surface of the dead car just to ground the electric current. Just make sure not to connect in any fuel system or any electrical wiring. When the four terminals of the two cables are properly clamped, it's time to turn on the helper car. Let the helper car run for around 5 minutes and charge the dead battery. After which, you can try to start the dead car. If the dead car starts, then the jump start is successful, and let your car run for the next 30 minutes to continue charging your battery. While charging your own battery, you can now detach the cable from your car and from the helper car. This time you need to detach all the cables from every terminal in reverse order. First, detach the black cable from the ground on your car. Second, detach the other end of the black cable from the negative terminal of the helper car. Third, detach the red cable from the positive terminal of the helper car. Lastly, detach the other end of the red cable from your car's positive terminal. And that's it. That's how you jumpstart the car. Cheers!